Hi, Stuart here at easyReportPRO, and I am excited to share with you two new features for editing checklists. In the past, editing a checklist required the edit mode here, where you could go through and view all of the individual items. This was very effective, making multiple changes at once, scrolling down through, especially with our autosave, but it's a bit more visually cluttered. And so what we've done is in the view format, you could either click reorder items here, or directly from the resources, you can just click on the name. And so what we've added over here are two features. One is insert. So you are able to actually go through and instead of in the edit format where you go all the way to the bottom, select the spot that you want to put the new item in, you can simply use this insert option right here. And so let's say I wanted to add another item right here. I can click insert. The new box will pop up and I can say this is my new item. And you can go ahead and use your auto populate codes, make it a sentence stem item, the same as you would normally, and then go ahead and click add item. And now you have that new item in there. And so it makes it much easier. Kind of goes along with our quick edit feature. Makes that much easier to insert new items where you're looking for them. The other feature that we added was a multi-move. You can still move individual items within a checklist, but if there are multiple items you wanted to move in the same checklist, you can choose our multi-move. And then what you're going to do is a few-step process. The first part is you're going to select the items that you want to move. So let's say, for instance, we wanted our areas of concern to be before our areas of strength. So I could select all of these, and these don't have to be in order. In this case, they are, but they don't have to be. So then moving to the next step, now you're going to select where do you want to move those. In this case, we want to move them into the same checklist. I can choose any checklist that I'd like to move to a different one, but in this example, we're going to stay into the same checklist. So I choose the first one that's default. Next step, now I just need to tell them where do I want to move it. I can either put it first or at a specific place. Let's say, again, we wanted in this case to be right before the areas of strength, so I'm going to select the item right before that. My confirmation step now lists, okay, I'm moving all of these items from this checklist to the same checklist, and I'm putting it right after this. So when I confirm that move, all of those items here are my general statements, and now my areas of concern, and then my areas of strength. Now, I mentioned also you can use this to move to a different checklist. So let's just say that I just wanted, for this case, I'm just going to move the new item that I put in. I didn't mean to put it in this checklist. I wanted to put it in a different one. And so I'm going to choose that multi-move, even though it's just one item. I'm going to select that item. I will continue the next step. Now, in this case, let's say I want to move it to my checklist 2. I've got a from and a to here. So I'm going to move it to my to checklist. And I click next step. And let's say I can put it anywhere that I'd like. I can put it first. I can go put it at the end, anywhere in the middle. I'm just going to say I want it first. So that confirmation step again, I'm moving from my background from. This is what I'm moving. I'm moving it to my background to, and I'm putting it first. When I confirm that move, you'll see my multi-move is completed. You'll see it's no longer in this checklist, and I have a link, view the list that I moved it to. And so I can click that. Now I jump over, here's my to, and here is my new item. So it makes it very easy to move items from one checklist to another, and as well, again, that very quick insert. We hope these features help. Have a great day and happy reporting.